My boss was shocked when he saw my notes in Excel. Let me show you the process of inserting a picture into a note. So let's start. Select the cell where you want to add the note, right-click on the selected cell, and select Insert Note. A note box will appear next to the cell. Now, right-click on the note box, choose Format, Color, and instead of choosing Color, click on Fill Effects. From here, click on the Picture button and select the picture you want to insert from your computer and click Insert. The picture will be inserted into the note box and will be visible when you click on the cell. You can even search for the picture online. Just copy a name, right-click, New Note. Here go right-click again, Format, click on Fill Effects, Picture, select. Now, instead of selecting the picture, just select the bin image search, paste the name and hit enter. And click this box and you can choose picture from your search result. Now just click insert and OK. And you have pictures in your notes. If you want to see all the notes at the same time, just select column, go to review and click on show all the notes. And you can see all the pictures at the same time. There's also one cool feature called Smart Lookup. Smart Lookup allows you quickly find more information about specific term or phrase in your spreadsheet without leaving the Excel. It uses Bing Search technology to provide you with relevant information from the web, including images, definition, and related articles. Just click on Smart Lookup and it will give you results from the search. Just click on it and you have more information about your coffee machine from the website. If you like my videos, don't forget to subscribe and share. Follow for more.